The video shows the accessories of the issuing part. It should be noted that some accessories are added as needed, including for wheels and a horizontal bar. It refers to this part of the finished product. Find the matching hex wrench and screw kit for the material distribution section. Take out the 4 screws used for installing the brackets. Firstly, install the 2 brackets of the material dispenser. Pick it up with the wheels at the back and the installation port at the front. Find the installation slot behind the feeding machine. Align the mounting opening of the bracket with the slot. Align the screw with the hole and tighten it to complete the installation. Install the other brackets in the same manner. Now pick up the largest crossbar. Now move the crossbar to the rear end of the bracket. Now it is necessary to locate the 4 holes on the crossbar. Align the 4 holes on the bracket and connect them. Just fasten them together with screws. Locate these 4 sliders. We need to install the slider onto the guide rail of the bracket. It should be noted that the sides with the pre-installed screws should face outward. Install 2 on the brackets on each side. Now it's time to install these 2 crossbars with rollers. It should be noted that the 2 rollers are at different heights. We picked up the taller roller. Place it on the slider that was just installed. Note that the taller rollers should be installed on the 2 outer sliders. Locate the 2 pre-drilled holes on the crossbar. Align it with the holes on the slider. Locate this type of longer hexagon socket screws. Mount the crossbar and the slider together and secure them with screws. The connection method for the crossbar and slider on the other side is the same. After the installation is completed, it should look as shown in the video. Now install the crossbar with the shorter roller. In the same way, align the holes of the crossbar with those of the sliders and secure them with screws. Now locate these 2 steel plates with sliders attached. We need to install the bottom slider onto the bracket rails. Note that the sides with the side panels should face outward. The shorter hole surface on the top should face the feeding machine. Push the steel plate into the slide rail. The operation for the bracket railing on the other side is the same. Locate the 2 baffles with locking modules attached. And to steel shafts. We need to pass the steel shafts through the locking modules under the baffles. Note that the protruding and narrower sides of the baffle should face inward. Insert both steel shafts into the locking modules, then tighten the knobs. Now locate the screw mounting positions at both ends of the steel shafts. They need to be installed in alignment with the holes on the baffles. Locate the hexagon socket screws for installation. We need to pay attention to the installation direction of the baffle. It must be consistent with what is shown in the video. We can judge by the distance from the steel shaft to the top of the baffle. Now it is necessary to use screws to connect and fasten the steel plate and the steel shaft. The other side applies the same. As shown in the video after completion.